Every business has important documents that are long and tedious to read, and no one wants to read huge blocks of boring text. So why not turn those onboarding documents into beautiful and visually engaging training manuals? Especially since 60 to 70% of the population are visual learners. With Visme, you can easily make information beautiful. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to turn your long documents into visually appealing and intriguing content. So if you're interested in learning more, stay tuned.
To get started, click on Create and choose the document type you'll be working with. I want to create a training manual, so I'll click on Documents to open up all the templates. You can start from scratch, or you can use one of our many visually exciting templates. You can search for specific templates in the search bar by using keywords like resumes, surveys, and more. In today's example, I'll be creating a training manual for a social media marketer. Once you find the template you want to use, hover over it and you'll see two options. If you want a quick preview of the template, you can click on Preview to get a quick feel on the template to see if you like it. If it suits your needs, click Edit. This will open the template up in the Visme editor. Now that you're in the editor, it's time to customize your document. In the top menu bar, you can edit and rename your document so that you can easily find it in your workspace in the future. From the get-go, you can see on the right-hand side how many pages your document currently has. You can add or remove as many pages as you need. To add a new page, click on Add New Page and click on a template page to add it to your document. To remove a page, click on the Settings button on any page and click Delete. As simple as that. The next thing you might want to do is select a color scheme. Visme makes it incredibly easy to incorporate your company's colors. You can manually add your brand kit to your editor, or you can choose from a variety of carefully hand-picked color themes from our professional designers. Click back and forth between colors and choose the one that best suits your needs. To edit the text, you can double-click on the text box and type or paste your copy into the box. You can customize the text font, size, color, and more right here in the menu bar. If you want to add more text to your document, you can add some of our pre-designed titles, text bodies, or whatever else you need. Simply click on the text and it'll be added to your document. Once it's on your document, you can further customize it from there. Now that the text is right, let's move on to graphics. In the side menu bar, click on Graphics. You'll be greeted with hundreds of custom and professionally designed icons, illustrations, characters, shapes, avatars, and more. These graphics are both static and animated. You can customize each graphic's color and size to match the document's style. To add them to your document, just click on the one you like and you'll see it appear in your workspace. It's as easy as that. If you want to change any of the images in your template, you can achieve that easily. Start by clicking on Photos. If you want to upload your own images, you can do so right here. Just click on Upload, select the image you want to upload, and now you can find it in your library. If you don't have any images that you want to upload, never fear. We have millions of stock photos that you can choose from and use. You can use keywords to filter through images and find the perfect match. You can drag and drop your image to replace an existing photo or background photo. If you just want to add it to your document, click on it in your menu bar and it'll be added to your document. Now it's time to add your data. With Visme, you can add visually beautiful charts and graphs, diagrams, tables, maps, and data widgets to your document. You can customize all of the values in our editor, but we've also made live data integration incredibly easy for you. You can import all your data from Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, Google Analytics, and SurveyMonkey effortlessly. To do so, click on the data chart that you like most and it'll be added to your document. You will now have the option to edit the data within our editor. To import your data, click on Import Data, then Google Sheets. Now paste the link from your published Google Sheets file and click Connect. This will automatically import your data and update the charts to be accurate with your data. To further customize your chart, click on Settings. Here you can customize the heading, legend, values, and more. Any object in Visme can be linked to a website or external document, like a Google Sheet, a Google Doc, or website. So if at any point in the document you want to lead your readers to an external link, you can do so. Click on any object, text, or graphic in your document and click on Actions and then Actions. You'll now see the option to add a link to your object and redirect your readers there. Pretty convenient! Once you've completed creating your new visually engaging document, it's time to share it with the world by exporting it. There are many different exporting options to choose from. You can publish it directly to the web and share it as a link to social media or make it discoverable on Google. You can also share your document privately so only the people you choose can see it. Another option is to embed it into your website so that anyone can access it. And finally, you can download it and send it to whoever you intend to see it.
And that's it! Congratulations! You just transformed what could have been a boring disaster into a visually appealing document that all your viewers will be completely engaged with. Well done! With the skills you learned in this tutorial, we're convinced that you'll be creating visually beautiful content. We can't wait to see what you create next. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what you want us to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date with all our newest tutorials, and of course, until next time, stay creative.